Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to change email name on Zoho. So after you've opened your Zoho mail, you're gonna go here to the right sidebar and you're going to click on the settings. Then over here at the left, you're going to scroll down and you want to locate send mail as. And from here, you will see your display name and your email address. So technically, you cannot change your email address here. So what you can do is you can change your display name. And once you change your display name over here, this will change how your name will appear when you are sending emails. So over here at this side, here is a preview of how your name appears. So if I go ahead and change this, I can change this to another name like, for example, John Doe. And as you can see here, this is a preview of how I will appear to others when I send them an email. So my display name is now John Doe. So after you've done that, just go ahead and click on update. And that's it. Thanks for watching.